Welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. Today meal is Egusi pepper soup. This is Niger Delta delicacy. I decided to use only fish. You can use beef or chicken. Cut your fish to the size you want. So in this recipe I use just 2 fish. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and if it's the first time you are seeing my video, please subscribe. Thank you and God bless you. Wash the fish to remove the blood inside. And for my returning subscriber, thank you. God bless you. Thank you for supporting me. So you have to remove all that so that it will not change the color of this meal. In this meal we don't need oil, just spice. It's economic, it's delicious, and it's very healthy. So clean your fish very well. So this is the second time I'm cleaning my fish. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm washing it for the second time. Add salt. I add salt to it, to salt and hot water to reduce the smell of the fish. But you can use lemon if you want. It's optional. I only did this to remove this fish smell. We are not cooking, no hot water. Change the water and add fresh water again. Time to cook our fish. Add water, enough water, because this is the water you are going to use for the soup. Add seasoning cube, add salt. So these are egusi. It was not much. So after removing the bad ones inside, I wash it twice. So this is the second time I wash my egusi. This is crayfish. Also wash it to remove sand. You know, crayfish always come with sand. Time to blend our egusi. Please you don't need onions in this soup. That is why it's called egusi pepper soup. But if you want to add onions, it's optional, it's your choice. So I have egusi and crayfish in the blender. Add water so that it will be easy for you to blend very well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Turn up your notification bell in case I upload a new video. You will be the first to be notified. So this is how it look like. So I cook this fish for just 10 seconds. 10 minutes I mean, sorry. Our fish is cooked. So I will remove all the fish and keep aside. Why? Because I don't want the fish to get broken. So keep aside. So this is our blended egusi. Pour it into the mixture. Stir very well to make sure there is no lumps. Allow it to boil out. This dry pepper, you can use fresh pepper if you like. I prefer to use dry pepper. After that, allow it to boil out. So you see, this is how the egusi look like. Then stir very well to break those lumps. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Add ground pepper soup spice. If you want to know how I make this, you can check out my video on how to make the best Nigerian pepper soup spice. It's there on my channel. Add the cooked fish. Stir gently so that the fish will not break into pieces. Add salt to your own taste. You see how it's looking? This soup does not have to be too thick or too watery. Cook for 15 minutes. It's ready. You can eat it with fufu, rice, eat it like this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. So this is our egusi pepper soup, our oilless egusi pepper soup. Please watch more of my videos. Thank you for watching and God bless you. I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned.